Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin wa bihi nasta'in fi umuri dunya wad din wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Amma ba'd. To our Professor Dr. Osama Al-Azhari, the Minister of Religious Endowments of Egypt, and of course the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Your Excellency Nader Zaki, esteemed guests, friends from the Egyptian delegations, members of the diplomatic corps, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, at Blue Mosque Cultural Center at Hardika, together we have planted a mango tree and we call it the Egyptian tree. It is symbolical of planting trust, love, mercy, and compassion in our hearts to bloom and bear the fruits in the near future. Today, the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos also pays tribute to the Arab Republic of Egypt in its quest for a new dawn of sovereignty, of dignity, and self-determination for Egypt. The dream of a free Egypt became a reality not only because of great leaders like Muhammad Naguib and Gamal Abdel Nasser who spawned it, but essentially it was due to a unified vision that Egyptian citizens have collectively dreamed together as one nation. This is the reason why Egypt was able to dismantle the old order, to reclaim their destiny, and to build a republic founded on the principles of justice, equality, and progress 73 years ago from today. The world witnessed Egypt transform and evolve deeply towards a national spirit. The Egyptians woke up one day that not only their land belongs to them, but also to the Egyptian nation on their own future. Egypt's contributions to Islamic law and education are deeply intertwined with its institutions, particularly Al-Azhar University, serving as intellectual powerhouses that have shaped legal thought, preserved traditions, fostered scholarly discourse, and adapted Islamic knowledge to evolving societal needs for over a millennium. Today, as we stand in solidarity on the shoulders of these giants, we all must reflect on the journey we have traversed. Egypt and the Philippines have faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and continually strive to build a stronger, more prosperous, and more equitable republic. From the grand projects that define your modern landscape to the unwavering spirit of your people, the legacy of 1952 continues to inspire and guide you as a nation. Let us safeguard our independence and sovereignty against all odds, to work tirelessly for the betterment of every citizen, ensuring a life of dignity, opportunity, and security is our amana. To uphold justice, promote unity, and foster peace within our borders and with our neighbors, regardless of faith, creed, or religion, is our responsibility as part of the Muslim Ummah, and Egypt has done its fair share in this aspect and more. Congratulations! Continue building a modern, progressive Egypt that stands tall among the nations of the world, proud of its rich history, and confident in its bright future. We love you, our Egyptian brothers and sisters in Islam. Happy 73rd National Day. May Allah continue to guide our nation. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.